Spring is here in Australia, so it's finally warm enough to get outside and work in the garden. This fan aloe should be the star of the spot, but it's lost among the surrounding plants. Today, I'll pull everything out, give it some space. Nice and clean and clear. The plants that were here will either be potted up for sale, given away on the sidewalk, or planted elsewhere. With all the random undergrowth gone, I can see the beautiful trunk that's appeared over the past 3 years. I plan to cover this area in coarse gravel and a small boulder or two. Thanks for watching.